Today, New York City announced its plan of action if a student or teacher tests positive for coronavirus. That schools will close for 24 hours, that particular school. Authorities will then reassess things. CBS 2's political reporter and authority, Marcia Kramer, is live in the city's emergency management headquarters in downtown Brooklyn. Marcia.
Well, Dana, Governor Cuomo and Mayor de Blasio agree that New York schools and New York City schools will not be closed for extended periods of time unless there are special circumstances.
I take that as a 24-hour kind of timeout where we get the information out, we do some of the work we have to do.
These students playing outside Department of Education headquarters where they attend class are among the 1.1 million city school children who will be watched carefully, as will their teachers, for any sign of the coronavirus. But because of a number of concerns, officials say they will not try to close schools for long periods of time, 24 hours in the beginning. The 24-hour closure will include cleaning of the schools and a disease detective assigned to see if the students or teachers had close contact with others.
Was the child working very closely, intensely with a teacher or a tutor? Did the child have a best friend that they're always together and, constantly really close to each other? Those are the kinds of things we're going to be looking for.
Officials want to limit school closures, they say, because of concerns that working parents will have no other child care options and the large number of New York City students who depend on the city for free meals. Their breakfasts and lunches may be their only source of nutrition.
We want sort of pinpoint accuracy. We want to make sure that a school is closed only for the period of time it needs to be. Because there are so many parents who depend on that school. We want to keep those closures minimal.
Council Health Committee Chair Levine sharing those concerns.
We have health officials who are looking at this every moment, and they will close schools if they feel that the risk is significant. There are kids who rely on seeing a school nurse in the school building and might lack access to primary medical care. And for the parents, closing the schools might mean they have no child care and they have to stay home from work.
Now, as a precaution, New York City is making sure that it has enough substitute teachers if the need exists, and also they're making plans for remote learning if that's necessary. On another note, the mayor said that there are no plans right now to cancel the St. Patrick's Day parade, and there are definitely no plans to close the city. The mayor said that he wants the city to be open, that businesses to do as much business as they can, and to keep the economy running. Live in Brooklyn, I'm Marcia Kramer, CBS 2 News.
Thank you, Marcia.